Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to record screen on iPhone 12, 12 Pro or iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you are using an iPhone 12, 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max phone and now you want to record screen on your phone, so let's see how can you do it. First, you have to scroll down your control panel and here you have to add a screen recording widget. So let's see how can you do it. First, you have to tap on the plus icon in the left right corner of screen. Just tap on it and then tap on add a control, and here you have to look for screen recording. I'll get it here. If you don't get it here, so just tap on search, and in search you have to tap on screen recording, and after doing this just select it. And here as you can see I have added this to my control center. Now tap on an empty place and then press and hold on it, and here you can see the option of start recording. Just tap on it and then it will be start recording of your screen. Now you have to open the screen which you want to record, and after the recording is complete you just have to tap on this icon and then tap on stop icon to stop your recording, and then it will be automatically stop or save your screen recording on your phone. So that's how you can easily save do screen recording on your iPhone 12, 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.